I was just watching a softball game on my TV when this appeared. Emergency alert system practice. It's only a test. But then again, folks, the EAS system can tap into your TV at any given moment. And with the digital spectrum, it makes it even easier. Oh, there we go. Back to my regularly scheduled program. Yes, I was watching softball. I'm a softball announcer, so I was doing some game prep. Anywho, it's April 12th, 10:25 a.m. Central Standard Time here in Western Illinois. There's another example of the EAS system. Easily can tap into your TV. Check this out. I got a nice little digital box right here from Motorola, and there you go. So just keep on the lookout for that, and look out for that in the radio too. Again, they're practicing this all over the country. I guess this is just another indication that this is they're preparing for something big. I don't know what, but something big. Beautiful day out in Central Illinois or Western Illinois. Take care, everyone.